I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your PC, whether your system meets minimum requirements or not. And we will also talk about whether you should upgrade to Windows 11, stay on Windows 10, or maybe switch to Linux. So stick around, this one's going to be useful. The easiest way to upgrade to Windows 11 is simple. Head over to Settings, Update in Security, check for updates. If your PC meets the requirement, you will see the upgrade option right there. Click Upgrade. Sit back and let Windows do its thing. Easiest method ever. Now if your PC doesn't meet the requirement or you want a clean installation, here's what we are going to do. Download the Windows 11 ISO image, put it in a USB drive, install it from USB and bypass the requirements if needed. And boom, you are done. But before we start, back up everything. Copy your file to another hard drive, SSD, USB or cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive. Especially the stuff in your C drive because that will be definitely get erased. That includes the file on your desktop, downloads, pictures, documents, etc. Now head over to Microsoft's official website and download the media creation tool. It's small and quick to download. Once it's open, it will ask you if you want to create a USB installer or just download the ISO file. For now, just download the ISO. I'll explain why in a second. After download completes, grab a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Though I'll recommend higher, but this is the minimum. I have listed some great ones in the description, so you can check them out. Now instead of using Microsoft Media Creation Tool, we are going to use Waqzite. Why Waqzite? Because it lets you store multiple Windows or even Linux ISO on one USB. Something you can't do with Microsoft Media Creation Tool. Download Waqzite from this website. Once download it, open it, plug in your USB, select your drive and click Install. You will get a warning that all data will be erased, so double check it and confirm it. It only takes few seconds. Then all you have to do is to simply copy and paste your Windows 11 ISO onto the USB. And here's the best part about Waqzite. You can put multiple Windows or even other OSs on the same USB. Anyways, wait for it to finish the copying and you are good to go. When it's done, restart your PC with the USB plugged in. When your PC starts, open the boot menu by pressing the boot key. You can also ask ChatGPT for the exact one. In my case, it's F12. Now the Windows setup screen appears. Choose your language and time. Click on Next and then Install Now. When asked for a product key, you can either enter it or click on I don't have a product key. Then choose your edition of Windows 11 and click Next. Now here's the thing, if your PC meets the requirements, great. If it doesn't, you will get an error saying it can't continue. In that case, you will need to bypass it by clicking on the subscribe button on the bottom right corner to subscribe to my channel. Just kidding, but you can actually subscribe down below. Anyways, to bypass it, press Shift F10 to open command prompt. Then type Rich Edit and hit enter. It will open the registry editor. In the registry editor, expand H key local machine, system, setup. Right click on the setup, select new key. Name it lab config. Make sure the L and C are capitalized. Now right click on the lab config, select new dword 32-bit value and name it bypass TPM check. Create another one named bypass secure boot check. Now double click on each of them and set their value data to 1. Now close the registry editor and continue the installation. Congratulations, you just bypassed the Windows 11 minimum requirements. Accept the license term and click on Next. When asked for installation type, choose custom installation. This is most critical part of installation, especially if you have files on your PC. Here you have to choose the drive where you want to install the Windows. If you choose the wrong one, it will wipe all of your data, so be careful. You can also format, delete or create a new partition here. Anyways, select the correct drive and click Next. Windows will start installing and will restart several times during the process. Once installation finishes, set up your logins and boom, welcome to Windows 11. But you are not done yet. Set this wallpaper as your background. Look amazing, right? Of course, I made it. You can grab it from the link in the video's description. Change the mood to dark, uninstall extra bloatware, customize your folder icon and you are done. By the way, if you want to make your Windows look like this, you can watch this video. I'll catch you there. Until then, peace.